Welcome to Creative Tian channel. In this video, we are going to show you how to knit a basic lace pattern, and it's only a 12 stitch repeat, so it's very easy to knit and great project for beginners if you never tried lace knitting before. And you can see the design here. To make a scarf, I have 3 12 stitch repeat in the center and 4 stitches ribbing on each side. So it come up with 44 stitches total. I start with several rows of 1 by 1 ribbing. That's knit purl, so it doesn't curl in the bottom. And I add 1 more stitch so it's symmetrical. The first stitch and the last stitch will be the same. After the ribbing stitches, I start with the edge stitch. That's knit purl in the beginning and purl knit at the end for the last 4 stitches, so it's symmetrical. After the edge stitches, we start knitting the pattern repeat, and it will be knit 2 together for the first 2 stitches. Repeat it twice. That's knit 2 together and then knit 2 together. So 2 stitches are decreased. And because we have decreased stitch, we have to increase it back. And we'll use the yarn over. So we knit 1 stitch, yarn over, just to move the yarn to the front. And repeat it 4 times. Knit, yarn over, knit, yarn over. 1 more time, knit, yarn over, and that will be 4 stitches increased. Because I increased 1 stitch for the ribbing, so I have to decrease 1 stitch here. That's why I didn't increase the last stitch. Instead of 4 yarn overs, I just do 3 for this row to make it 44 stitches and follow our pattern. And then we repeat the same as the first 4 stitches. We knit 2 together and knit 2 together, and that's the pattern repeat. Very simple. And we repeat these 12 stitches again for the middle part, and then 1 more time for the third repeat, and then we'll do the edge stitches. Just follow the pattern. 2 knit 2 together, and then 4 times of the knit 1 and yarn over, and then knit 2 together twice again. This is the knit 2 together, and then knit 2 together, so the 2 stitches will be decreased. That's the end of the second repeat. And we'll do the 12 stitch repeat 1 more time. Knit 2 together twice, and then knit 1 yarn over 4 times, and then knit 2 together twice. Here is the knit 1 yarn over part 4 times. And then knit 2 together, and knit 2 together, and then we should have 4 stitches left, and we follow the pattern. We do the purl knit on this side. The first 4 edge stitches are knit purl, and here we have purl knit, so it's symmetrical. For the next row and all the rows on the back side, it will be just purl stitches all the way. Or for the edge stitches, you can keep the ribbing pattern. You can keep the 1 by 1 ribbing pattern for the edges, or you can just use the purl stitches. I just use the purl stitches all the way for the back side of the knitting. And then we turn over, we will do the same as the row below. We have 4 edge stitches, knit purl, and then we repeat the 12 stitches 3 times, and then 4 edge stitches, purl knit, purl knit. Here is the beginning of the 12 stitch repeat. Knit 2 together, knit 2 together, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, again knit 1, yarn over. That's 4 stitches increased. And then knit 2 together twice. That's 2 stitches decreased. So it's balanced. That's what it looks like. And we do it 2 more times. So it's the same 12 stitch repeat. Knit 2 together, knit 2 together, and then knit, yarn over 4 times, and then knit 2 together, knit 2 together, and repeat it 1 more time. Knit 2 together, knit 2 together, then knit 1, yarn over 4 times, and then knit 2 together twice, and then we should have 4 stitches left. For the last 4 stitches, we follow the pattern below and we do the purl, knit, purl, and knit stitches. And then we turn over and we purl all the way. We just keep repeating these 2 rows until the length you want. And then you do several rows of the 1 by 1 ribbing to match the beginning so it doesn't curl. And that's it. You can see it creates an interesting pattern and texture, and the yarn overs becomes the holes for the lace. And you can also see the bottom of the ribbon. It makes a curved line. It looks complicated, but actually very easy to knit. You can also block it by washing it and pin it down and stretch it out a little bit, or just steam it and open up a little bit more so you can see the pattern even better and the holes will be bigger. It will be just a different look. If you don't block it, it will be more texture, more 3-dimensional, and some people like it this way. So that's today's lace knitting. I hope you enjoy it, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.